When it comes to mapping services in Chatterpur, SCAN Design in Delhi is a renowned name. They offer a wide range of geotechnical services in Chatterpur and have gained a reputation for their expertise and quality work. Whether it's a small residential project or a large-scale commercial development, SCAN Design has the knowledge and experience to provide accurate and reliable mapping services. Geotechnical services in Chatterpur are essential for any construction project as they involve the study of the soil and rock mechanics. This information is crucial for determining the stability and suitability of the land for various types of structures. SCAN Design understands the importance of accurate mapping and offers comprehensive geotechnical services to ensure that clients have all the necessary information before starting their projects. One of the key aspects of mapping services in Chatterpur provided by SCAN Design is the identification of potential risks and hazards. Through their geotechnical services, they assess the soil conditions and identify any potential issues such as unstable slopes, weak foundations, or groundwater problems. By identifying these risks early on, SCAN Design helps clients mitigate them effectively, saving time and money in the long run. SCAN Design utilizes advanced technology and equipment to carry out their mapping services in Chatterpur. They use state-of-the-art software and tools to create detailed maps and 3D models of the site. This allows clients to visualize the project before it even begins and make informed decisions regarding design and construction. The accuracy and precision of their mapping services ensure that clients have a clear understanding of the site conditions and can plan accordingly. This involves collecting soil samples from different depths and analyzing them for various properties such as strength, permeability, and compaction. When it comes to mapping services in Chatterpur, SCAN Design is the go-to company in Delhi. With their expertise in geotechnical services, SCAN Design has established itself as a reliable and efficient provider of mapping solutions. The team at SCAN Design understands the importance of accurate and detailed maps, especially in a place like Chatterpur where there are various construction and development projects taking place. By utilizing their geotechnical services, SCAN Design ensures that the mapping services they provide are of the highest quality and meet the specific needs of their clients. One of the key aspects of SCAN Design's mapping services in Chatterpur is their focus on geotechnical services. Geotechnical services involve the study and analysis of the properties and behavior of soil and rock, which is crucial for any construction or development project. By incorporating geotechnical services into their mapping process, SCAN Design is able to provide comprehensive and accurate maps that take into account the unique geological features of Chatterpur. This ensures that their clients have a clear understanding of the ground conditions and can make informed decisions regarding their projects. SCAN Design's mapping services in Chatterpur also include a wide range of other offerings. They have a team of experienced surveyors and engineers who use advanced technology and techniques to collect data and create detailed maps. This includes aerial surveys, ground surveys, and 3D modeling, among others. By utilizing these tools,